Do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. Today in this video I will show you how to clear all of your junk files and folders from your Windows. There are many software that can clear your junk files and folders, but here I will show you how to do it manually. First, open your computer, open your C drive. Here you should have a folder named Windows Old. If you have that folder, then delete it. Currently I don't have that folder, so I am going to do the next step, that is open this Windows folder and search for software distribution and open this download folder and delete all the files and folders from it. Again, I don't have any files, so I am skipping it. Next, open the run program. You can open that program by searching run from your Windows Start. Now type in refresh and hit enter. Select all and delete it. Go to run again and this time type temp and hit enter. This will open a temporary folder. Select all and delete. If you facing any problem of deleting any particular folder, don't worry about it, cause few applications are still running on your computer and that's why those folders cannot be deleted. Go to run again, but this time type %temp% and hit enter. It will open another temporary folder. Again select all and delete. Again, some applications that's still running on your computer, because of that you cannot delete few items. So you have to skip those files and folders. Now close this window and open My Computer. Right click on your C drive and go to Properties. Click on the Disk Cleanup. After a while, this window will open. Select the files that you want to delete. Click on this OK and delete files. Now you are done with your C drive cleanup. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like if it actually works for you. New hacking related videos I am going to upload in upcoming few days. See you in the next video.